Now we will see how to import credit note without inventory data. Open the template. Here the format is same for all the templates. Click on open your file. Select your data. This is the sheet for credit note without inventory. Select the sheet. Put the end row. Click on start mapping. Now I will click on import data. All my data is imported as done in credit note with inventory. Click on connect with Tally to check your ledgers. All ledgers will come in sheet 4. All items will come in sheet 5. Click on match ledgers with Tally. Your ledgers are verified. Now we will create the GST ledgers with the help of create GST ledger button. Put your company state code and the format you want your data in. Click on create ledgers. All the details are created now. Save the data. Open the software. Click on credit note without inventory. Click on yes. Entries are done. These are the entries for credit note without inventory. The process is same for debit note with inventory and debit note without inventory. You just need to change the voucher type. You will get these templates in purchase template. Thanks for watching the video.